What are the innovations being introduced at the 2020 Snap Partner Summit, which is, I think, really the main reason why we are talking today?
Oh, thank you so much. Yeah, well, our team's been working really hard, and the reason why we really love the Partner Summit is because it allows us to celebrate all the people who work together with us to support the Snapchat community. So we have partners who work with us in augmented reality and in content, and even on our map. And so it's been so much fun, really, to release new products together with them. Some of the things we're most excited about, we have a new product coming out called Minis, which are little experiences you can use together with your friends. And they were built on top of our gaming platform. So we built this gaming platform that allows you to play games together with your friends in chat. And we learned that we could do so much more than just play games with this platform. We can build little experiences that you can use together with your friends. So, for example, you can use a service to buy movie tickets together. You can watch the trailers for movies, pick your seats, and buy movie tickets. You could make predictions together with your friends about what's going to happen in the future and see who's right. So minis are a really fun product for people to use together. Another thing we're really excited about is called Camera Kit. And Camera Kit is a way to bring our augmented reality camera and all of its powerful features into your app. And that's something that we're really excited about because people are looking to build an augmented reality, especially now with coronavirus. Brands are really excited about the opportunity to power things like Try On, which is really exciting. So we think that Camera Kit can help brands, bring some of those ideas to life. And one of the other things we're really excited about is called Snap ML. So that's a new feature inside Lens Studio that allows people to bring their own machine learning models into their lenses and use that to transform the world around them. That's just a couple ththings. There's so much stuff. It'd be impossible to mention all of it, but those are some of the things I'm really excited about.